soaring above the clouds, the wind rushing past me. Suddenly, up ahead, the clouds break and I get my first glimpse of it. UK Mr. Gold City. Every rooftop, every street is lit up in neon gold. The cars, not a single dull one in sight. They're all shimmering, metallic gold, gliding through the city on silent electric wheels. And for a moment, I wonder if I've flown right into the future or a sci-fi fantasy. And then it starts to rain. But this isn't rain as you know it. Tiny diamonds sparkling in the night, drifting down and catching the light from every angle. It's impossible not to stare. The whole city below glitters, gold on the ground, diamonds in the air, and the sense that anything could happen here. You know, they say every city has its own soul. But UK Mr. Gold, it's got style, it's got spectacle, and tonight it's got me hooked. So if you ever find yourself flying this way, look out for the gold, but most of all, keep your eyes open for the impossible, because in this city, impossible's just the beginning.